Hello everyone, what's up? What are you all doing? I hope you all are doing fine and amazing. So if you guys are watching me for the first time, hi, I am Pooja. I post makeup and fashion related video on my channel. Please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and let's make this family huge. So guys, in today's video, I'll be sharing with you all how you can achieve a black glittery smoky eye makeup look. Also guys, Christmas is around the corner, so if you want to go extra with your makeup, then you might try this makeup look out. So if you guys are interested to know like how I do a glittery smoky eye makeup look, then you should keep on watching. So guys, the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to apply a moisturizer. For that, I'm going to use this Pond's anti-pollution face moisturizer. So guys, no matter what makeup you do, you always make sure that you use a moisturizer. So guys, I have already cleansed my face and I have applied a toner, serum. So now I'm gonna apply a moisturizer. So guys, it is always compulsory to hydrate your face before you do makeup, because this is the step which is so important. यही चीज़ है जो आपके मेकअप को अपने प्लेस पे रखेगा, प्लस आपका स्किन बहुत ज़्यादा फ्लॉलेस लगेगा. सो ऑलवेज मेक श्योर कि अगर आप कुछ नहीं कर सकते हो तो एटलीस्ट यू अप्लाई अ गुड मॉइस्चराइजर ऑन योर फेस. एंड दिस फेस मॉइस्चराइजर इज़ रियली गुड. लाइक मैंने इसको कुछ टाइम पहले नायका से लिया था एंड इट इज़ सुपर लाइट वेट. लाइक इट रियली हाइड्रेट माई स्किन प्रिटी वेल एंड ये बहुत अच्छे से मेरे स्किन पे बैठ भी जाता है. सो आई रियली लाइक दिस मॉइस्चराइजर. एंड ऑल्सो गाइज, मुझे बताइए व्हाट आर योर प्लान्स फॉर क्रिसमस. लाइक आप क्या करने वाले हो? आर यू गोना गो आउट? व्हाट आर यू ऑल गोना डू लेट मी नो. मेरा तो कुछ एज सच प्लान है नहीं, but let's see. So guys, next up I'm going to apply a primer. For that I'm going to use this Sugar, the most eligible blur smoothing primer. So recently I have shared this with you all in my Sugar cosmetic haul. I will link down somewhere here, so आप उसको check out कर सकते हो. I really like this primer. It is like a close to the Benefit one. Like इसका consistency, texture and the way it work, it is exactly like same and I really love it. Even it have some tint as well which will help to neutralize your skin. So basically guys, I don't have लार्ज पोर्स. मेरे को सिर्फ ऑयली स्किन की प्रॉब्लम है. सो आई एम जस्ट गोना अप्लाई हियर जहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा ऑयल रिलीज होता है मेरे फेस पे. दैट्स इट. ऑल्सो गाइज, माई स्किन इज डूइंग प्रिटी वेल दिस डेज. लाइक टच वुड आई कैन से, बिकॉज मेरी सारे पिम्पल्स चले गए हैं. द ओनली थिंग इज़ लेफ्ट ऑन माई फेस इज़ अ पिम्पल मार्क्स एंड इवेंचुअली वो भी फेड अवे हो जाएंगे बहुत जल्दी. Also guys, make sure you apply a good primer before you do makeup, because primer will always ensure that your makeup to stay on its place for good amount of time. Plus if you have लार्ज पोर्स तो वो भी उसको स्मूथ आउट कर देगा, ब्लर आउट कर देगा. जो पोर्स होते हैं जो यहाँ पे जो कुछ खड्डे खड्डे से आपको दिखते हैं वो मिनिमाइज कर देगा. सो उसके वजह से वहाँ पे मेकअप सेटल डाउन नहीं होगा और आपका स्किन बहुत स्मूथ लगेगा. सो ऑलवेज मेक श्योर कि आप एक अच्छा सा प्राइमर ज़रूर यूज़ करें. So guys, I'll be using a foundation. For that I'm going to use this PAC Cosmetic foundation. This is a HD liquid foundation and I'm in the shade 1.3. I am really loving this foundation these days. Like मैं इसको बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़ कर रही हूँ. ये मेरे पास काफ़ी टाइम से था, but I was not using this that much. Now guys, I'm going to take a beauty blender and I'm just going to blend this foundation all over my face. ऑल्सो गाइज, आप देख सकते हो कि इसकी कवरेज कितनी अच्छी है. लाइक इट रियली लुक्स ब्यूटिफुल. प्लस इट हैव दिस डूई फिनिश विच रियली लुक अमेजिंग. एंड आई एम समवन जिसको पूरा मैट फाउंडेशन नहीं पसंद है. ऑल्दो आई हैव ऑयली स्किन बट स्टिल आई प्रेफर डूई फिनिश का फाउंडेशन. एंड दिस फाउंडेशन इज सो 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 गुड, लाइक अमेजिंग. Also the coverage is pretty well. It is like medium to high coverage. You guys can obviously build this according to your preference. Like आपको जैसा भी coverage पसंद है, go with it. Play with your makeup. It's your life. Do whatever you feel like. ऑल्सो गाइज, नायका पे बहुत अच्छी सेल चल रही है. लाइक क्रिसमस सेल. गो चेक इट आउट. आपको कुछ लेना है तो रिसेंटली मैंने बहुत सारी चीज़ें खरीदी है नायका से. इफ़ यू गाइज वॉन्ट अ हॉल, आई विल फॉर श्योर डू इट. आई एम गोना टेक 1 pump more and yeah, I'm just gonna blend it out. So you guys can see how my foundation and how my face is looking. It's looking pretty flawless and I'm really loving the sheen that it gave to my skin. Like it have a dewy finish which I really love. Next up guys, I'll be using a concealer. For that again I'm going to use this a PAC Spotlight concealer, and I'm in the shade 03 Sand. So what I'm going to do is, I really love this concealer by the way. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to apply this like on the corner of my eyes, little bit here, and on the area I need little bit of highlighting effect. Yeah. Now guys, after blending my concealer with a brush, lastly I'm going to just run a beauty blender all over my face, like जहाँ पर भी मैंने concealer लगाया था, just to give a smooth finish. Like अगर कहीं पे extra होगा, so this beauty blender gonna soak it up. Now guys, I'm going to set my face. For that I'm going to use this Maybelline's Fit Me powder foundation, and I'm in the shade 230, and with the help of this fluffy powder brush, I got this one from Miniso and I'm really loving it. Like ever since I got it, I'm only using this brush to set my face. Now guys, I'm going to apply a blush. For that I'm going to use this palette from Maybelline, and this one is a Maybelline's Master Contour palette, and here I have three shades: a bronzer, a blush and a highlighter, and I will only use this palette to do everything. So first I will do contouring or bronzing, and I'm just going to pick this color here and stepping off the excess. And बाय द वे गाइज, दिस ब्रश इज़ फ्रॉम कलरबार. मुझे ये कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री मिला था विथ माई ऑर्डर. मैंने कुछ ख़रीदा था उनसे, लाइक अबाउ 1000 रुपीज़ और समथिंग. सो मुझे 3 ब्रशेस के सेट मिले थे. देयर वॉज अ हाईलाइटर ब्रश एंड देन स्मॉल आई मेकअप ब्रश, एंड देन द थर्ड वन इज़ दिस. द ब्रश इज़ रियली अमेजिंग. यू कैन सी द bristle is also really soft, and it is like an angled brush. ऑल्सो गाइज, अगर आप मेरे वीडियोस देखते हो एंड यू हैवेंट सब्सक्राइब, प्लीज़ कर दीजिए. इट इज़ टोटली फ्री यार. बिकॉज मैं कभी कभी अपने एनालिटिक्स चेक करती हूँ अपने गूगल यूट्यूब का. आई सॉ दैट लॉट ऑफ पीपल आर वॉचिंग माई वीडियोज़ हु हैवेंट सब्सक्राइब्ड. आई रियली रिक्वेस्ट यू ऑल कि यार कर दीजिए. इट इज़ नॉट अ बिग डील. यहाँ पे आपका कोई भी पैसा नहीं लग रहा है. इट इज़ टोटली फ्री एंड यार कम ऑन. Okay guys, now my face is looking nicely toasted. Now guys, I'm going to apply a blush, and uske liye I'm going to use this tapered kind of brush, and this is from the brand called Focalier, and I'm just going to pick this blush right here, tapping off the excess, just gonna apply it a little bit. Plus guys, also guys, it have some sheen to it, so yeah, but I prefer applying a matte blush because it looks flattering on my cheeks. बट दिस इज़ ऑल्सो नॉट बैड. लाइक ठीक ठाक काम कर लेता है मेरे ऊपर. I'm going to do my eyebrow. For that I'm going to use this fashion color eyebrow powder, and it have 2 shade in it. I got it from a normal beauty store which is close to my house, because guys I really love it. ये बहुत अच्छा natural finish देता है for my eyebrow. I'm just gonna mix this both shade. I'll just start doing my eyebrows. Also guys, if you're a beginner and usually wanted to get your hands on a eyebrow product, get the NYX one because I really love it, because that is pretty time saving, and if you're a beginner then you're gonna love that product, and trust me guys. Now guys, I'm just gonna comb my eyebrow just to distribute all of the product and give a smooth finish. So this is how my eyebrow is looking. Now we're gonna start off by doing our eye makeup. So the first thing what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna pick the same shade right here as my transition shade. So I'm just gonna buff this shade all over my crease line. And guys, I'm blending this color in a back and forth motion, like a windshield wiper motion. Like first I'm going inside, then outside, like this. So guys, you can see I have a hooded eyes. तो मैं अपना जो crease transition shade होता है I place above this line like here. I'm gonna take the same eyebrow powder right here. So you guys can use any of the eyeshadow palette you have. You really don't have to use the same product which I am using. So I'm just gonna pick this color right here little bit, and I'm gonna pick very little bit guys because these are so pigmented. So very little bit like this. Also I'm going to tap off the excess. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to buff this color on my outer V plus as well as on my crease as well. And guys, I'm gonna do very little by little because I really don't want it to look like a clown. Just मैं बहुत सारा नहीं लगाना चाहती हूँ. First I'm taking little bit of color and then I'm blending it out. Honestly guys, you really don't need 10 different brushes to do your makeup. अगर आपके पास एक या दो ब्रश भी है तो भी उससे आप अपना काम चला सकते हो. Don't just go over and spend your money on 10 different makeup brushes. Just get the right 2 or 3 makeup brush and you guys are sorted almost. So now guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this black liquid eyeshadow, and this is a shimmery eyeshadow, and I'm in the shade Molten Midnight, and this one is from the brand called Swiss Beauty. This is super affordable. It only retails for 199 rupees, plus the quality and everything is so amazing. It comes with a doe foot applicator. This is a dupe of the Stila liquid eyeshadow, but these days market में बहुत सारे eyeshadows आ गए हैं, like Blue Heaven का भी and other brands as well. You guys can check out on Nykaa. I'll give you a swatch. इसका ये इतना अच्छा pigmented है, and you guys can see the color is also pretty good. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to apply this all over my eyelid. Just gonna take a pointed brush like this, so, and I'm just going to blend out the edges. So guys, we are almost done. You can see how pretty the smoky eye is looking. It is totally easy. You just have to follow the correct step and you have to go little by little. Don't just go very extra with everything. So this is how it's looking now. I'm quickly gonna do my lower lash line ka makeup. I'll take a pencil brush like this, so, and I'm just going to apply the same shade which I have used as a transition shade first. And then guys, I'm just gonna pick this shade right here from the eyebrow palette, and I'm just going to buff this out here. Guys, I'm going to take a black kajal, and this one is from brand called L'Oreal. And guys, with the help of this pencil brush right here, मैं इसको अपने lower lash line में लगा लूँगी. Again guys, I'll take the same shade right here and मैं उसको blend out कर लूँगी. Just I'm going to soften out. So guys, this is how my eye makeup is looking. I will just quickly do this side ka eye makeup and I'll just come. Now guys, I have already applied a mascara on my eyelashes. For that, I have used this Maybelline's Lash Sensational Mascara. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a false eyelashes. For that, I'm going to use this eyelashes which I've got from AliExpress, very long. And for that, I'm going to use this PAC Lash Fixer glue. And what I'm going to do is first I'm going to apply this glue on the lash band. Then I'm just gonna let it wait for at least 5-10 seconds so the glue become tacky, and then I'm just gonna place this eyelashes like on my eyes. So guys, this is how my eyes are looking. Now I'm quickly gonna set my whole makeup. For that, I'm going to use this PAC Micro Finish Makeup Setting Spray. I really love it. It is so fine. Like you guys can see kitna fine hai ye. So I will just quickly set my makeup. Now same technique, just gonna dab the beauty blender all over my face. Now guys, I'm going to add a highlighter. For that, I'm going to use this L'Oreal Lavian Glow highlighter palette, and I'm in the shade Cool Glows. So I'm just gonna pick this color right here, and I'm just gonna mix these two shades, and I'm just going to apply it on the highest point of my face. You guys can see the glow. Oh my god, like it's pretty good. So now guys, my makeup is done. Now last thing is I'm gonna add a lipstick. For that, I'm going to use this NYX Powder Puff Lippies, and I'm in the shade Cool Intention. So obviously my eye makeup is so loud, so I'm gonna go nude with my lipstick, and I really love this color. This is such a nice cool tone brown color, plus it also has some warmth to it. So I'm just gonna apply it. So guys, this is how my makeup is looking. I will just quickly fix my hair and I'll just come. So guys, this is my final look. I hope you guys love it, you enjoy watching my video, and if you find it informative and helpful, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Do share with your friends and family. It means everything to me. Also guys, you can try this makeup look out if you are going to attend any party this New Year Eve. And yeah guys, now I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye, see ya, take care, and see you soon. Bye.